Trending today, some attorneys expect a wave of divorce filings across the country when the COVID-19 confinement ends. And joining us today is West Palm Beach attorney Abigail Beebe.
I love all that stuff.
Thank you so much for joining us.
You're welcome. Thanks.
So are the quarantine orders and forced proximity the major reasons why we're seeing this spike in filings?
I mean, that's sort of what it seems. I think anyone who's been thinking about it for some time is probably getting pushed to that point during this time. And what we've seen so far is that there has been an increase in filings across the board.
And I know a lot of children are staying at home. They were sent home from school. Do you think that children play into this rise?
It could be. I think that there's a lot of stress and working parents who are trying to balance working from home as well as homeschooling their children. I think it's likely to cause additional strain on a relationship for sure.
Well, a new study shows that divorce rates have been trending down for younger couples. So do you think there is an age range of couples seeking divorce now?
I don't think that I've seen the age range. I did hear about, the younger generation, but I think that could be as a result of people getting married later in life. But I don't see an age during this time.
Right. So what else are you seeing? What else can you break down as far as the rise in divorces?
I think that what we're seeing from the lawyer side is a lot of people who are already divorced also having issues regarding their children and things like that currently. I also have heard, we've gotten a lot of calls about people who are struggling to pay their support obligations, whether it's spousal support or child support. So there's extra litigation. But as far as increase in divorce, I think the biggest issue is the strain, that's the financial strain, the children being home and homeschooling and trying to balance that. I've also seen a lot of issues. I mean, in general, I think I've heard about a rise in domestic violence cases, which ultimately also results in divorce often.
And a lot of resources available for that, the domestic violence as well. Abigail Beebe, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon, and we appreciate your time.
Thank you.
All right, well.